संयुक्त संसदीय समिति यानी जेपीसी की वक्फ बिल को लेकर बीते सोमवार बैठक हुई, लेकिन बैठक में भारी बवाल हुआ, जिसका विरोध विपक्षी सांसदों ने मीडिया के सामने आकर किया। दरअसल बैठक में वक्फ बिल पर चर्चा हुई और 44 में से 14 संशोधनों को मंजूरी दी गई। सूत्रों के मुताबिक इन 14 बदलावों को स्वीकार करने के लिए 29 जनवरी को मतदान होगा और अंतिम रिपोर्ट 31 जनवरी तक सौंप दी जाएगी। हालांकि समिति ने विपक्ष द्वारा सुझाए गए बदलावों को खारिज कर दिया, जिसका खुलकर विपक्षी नेताओं ने विरोध किया। इसी कड़ी में एआईएमआईएम प्रमुख असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने मोदी सरकार पर और जेपीसी के अध्यक्ष जगदम्बा पाल पर निशाना साधा और बताया कि आखिर बैठक में क्या क्या हुआ था। सुनिए।
Number one, these amendments which the government has proposed, the Modi government, they are not to save the Waqf properties but to demolish and finish off the whole Waqf properties. These amendments are not being brought to strengthen the Waqf board or to remove the encroachments on Waqf properties, but to reward encroachers. And thirdly, according to the Islamic principles and law, Waqf is like a prayer for Muslims. It is not a physical prayer, but it is a prayer for us. By bringing these amendments, you are denying us our prayers. So this is the whole intention of the government, to superimpose the Hindutva ideology on the Waqf board. So we condemn this, and the behavior of the chairman today, he has not even allowed members who have to move their amendments. If you see the parliamentary proceedings, the speaker always names a person. Are you moving your amendment? Yes, sir. Then 1 minute is given by the honourable speaker to explain why you are removing the amendment. But here we have seen the honourable Mr. Chairman has become not only the mover but also mover of my amendment. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. This is a joke.
Give the announcement. Rejection.
My amendment, I am not moving, he is moving. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. And then he say, okay, he's the mover and the opposer. He counted himself. So he's the mover, proposer, everything has become. So this exactly shows us what government is doing. And if you see the amendments that have been moved by the BJP and by the allies, they are obnoxious. They are not to save the Waqf properties, I say. And it is very surprising and shocking that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, Mr. Nitish Kumar and Mr. Chirag Paswan, though they are part of BJP, supporting Mr. Modi's party, but you are supporting these obnoxious amendments which will destroy the whole Waqf property.